These are my birds. They're just looking outside the window. The two blue ones, the light blue one and the dark blue one, is babies, and the white one is 2 years old, and the yellow one is about maybe 8 months old. And yeah, they're just house pets. The yellow one is named Luma. The white one is named Snow or Snowflake. The light blue one with the gray wings that just fluffed up and it's like making that weird noise, it's named Pedro. And the dark blue one is named Coco. I know the names are weird, but it's just the first thing that came up in mind for birds. What's wrong with the light blue one? If you guys know, leave a comment down below if it's healthy or not. But it's drinking water and eating food. But the yellow one is just a crazy bird. That one up there, oh no, it just bites at it. It's fine, it won't hurt the bird. When it's pecking at the wood, it's just foraging and playing with it. And the babies really like the ladder, but they can't fly yet. That's why their wings look very tiny. What are you doing, Pedro? This is gonna be the end of the video. Just wanted to show you my birds. And hope you guys enjoyed the video and give me any tips about taking care of birds. But otherwise, they're very healthy and active. Bye.